This 3D printer overview is brought to you by 3dprinterkitsale.com. You can go there and get some of the best 3D printer deals available online right now. That's 3dprinterkitsale.com. The Vinci 1.0 3D printer by XYZ Printing. The Vinci 1.0 3D printer is a quality 3D printer that's reasonably priced just under $500. The Vinci 1.0 3D printer would be considered suitable as one of the best home 3D printers to buy and use for any of your 3D printing projects. The Vinci 1.0 3D printer won the 2014 CES Editor's Choice Award for the most affordable 3D printer. With the largest 475 cubic inch build volume, the Vinci 1.0 prints in two materials, which are ABS and PLA. It also comes with free filament as the starter kit and free XYZ Wear software. If you'd like to learn more about this 3D printer and read more in-depth reviews for the Vinci 1.0 3D printer by XYZ Printing, click the link below this video now and even find out how to qualify for free shipping and even save money on this 3D printer. I also highly recommend that you watch my video about 3D printer prices to give you a better idea about how to buy the right 3D printer for your budget while still being able to make all the things your imagination can create. And you can find the link to that video right below this one. So thanks for your time and thanks for watching.